So the other day I was making a little joke about telling you guys how the GTR was my daily and then the RSX was the project car, which at this point that's pretty much what it feels like, because the GTR I haven't really done anything to it. It's just been, you know, how I bought it. But the RSX, I've done a lot to the RSX already. If you guys didn't know, I put the wing, I put the tinted tail lights, plastic dipped the wheels white, I put the front lip, I tinted it, I got a new shift knob for it, I got a Mugen shift knob, I got the double din radio for it. Can you guys guess what else I got? Let me just show you. Yup, we got coilovers for the RSX. I ended up going with the TOMEI street bases. They were like 500 bucks. So yeah, that's what this So yeah, that's what today's video is pretty much gonna be about. Me and my brother are gonna be installing the coilovers on the RSX. I don't know if I should slam it all the way or not, probably not. It's kind of stupid of me to lower the car right now, right? Especially because it's winter time. Let's see what comes in the box. Holy fuck, that's heavy. All right, that's heavy. We got the spanners to adjust it. They're nice, they say TOMEI on them. I don't know if you guys can see it. There you go, it says TOMEI, however the fuck you pronounce it. I'm just gonna wait till my brother gets home. We're gonna start taking everything apart and installing the coilovers. RSX is gonna look completely different by the time we're done, and I can't wait. Can somebody help me open this?
No, because I'm trying to do this for you.
Oh, you're so cute.
Oh, cute.
That was
I'm
cute.
the one doing all the work.
That was cute. Oh, we know he is.
Oh, shit. You know that too.
Everybody here knows that you're gonna be doing all the work, Alex. My rear window visor got delivered. Oh.
Now I know why people like buying Hondas.
Why? Because it's so cheap?
Yeah.
Everything's cheap.
You know what's
This, eBay, 35 bucks. How are my employees doing?
Huh?
Huh? Hola madre. Did you get it loose?
Yeah.
Bro. Oh snap. Hold on, I hit a speed bump.
Come over here.
Come over where? Your face? Pump 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 it up. Pump 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 it up. Keep going?
Yeah,
What do you need, Lalo? Cool down?
What do you need?
Oh, man, you got it, dude. Shit.
Alright.
Show them what them guns are made of.
You go up. You go up.
Show them what the AK-47's got. You're gonna hear something pop, it's gonna be in the back.
Okay.
Go me, you got
Are
it.
you sure it's up?
Yeah, ready, tighty, lefty, loosey, dumbass. This looks like y'all tightening it up.
Give me my wrench. Oh my god, dude. I told you.
Let me see. Let me try.
Alright, go ahead and try. Nope, nope.
Where's George at, man? We need George power.
What the fuck?
What you looking for, Ka?
I was leaving the piece. I'm really gonna shit myself. I swear to God, man.
You gonna shit yourself?
Oh, yeah.
Me too, man. now, there it is. Wow. Fucking Lalo's a donkey, man.
George would have been the same way, like pinches pendejos.
True, George would have been mad as hell.
Alright, so now.
Wow.
Mira.
Wow.
Wow, dijo el perro. Wow. Mira. No, pues está cabrón la vida, ¿no?
That's why I'm not a mechanic, dude. I just film shit. I don't work on my cars. I just film it. Don't act like you don't know what you did.
Fired. What is it?
You fired. You fired. Donkey! Carrot top! Huh?
One eternity later.
Alright you guys, so we finally finished installing the coilovers in the car, lowered it and everything, so here's how it looks. Check the wheel gap in the front. Yeah, somewhat, maybe. I can still reach a finger or two in there, but it's not too bad. My fender liners do need to come off since this one got chewed up in the highway. The rear fitment is pretty good. If I do end up getting some wheels for the car, I'm most likely going to have to roll the fenders. I don't know if you guys could see it, but yeah, I'm gonna have to roll the fenders if I do that. I also got the window visor on. It's not the sturdiest, but it's been holding on so far. And then this side too, something keeps on hitting this side. My guess is it's gonna be this fender liner as well. So I'm gonna have to take them off and see what's going on. This video has been taking much longer than I thought it was gonna be. I ran into a bunch of issues with the car. This side, I had to change out the tie rod end. I ended up doing both sides, so that was a pain in the ass. I had to change my rear brakes. One of my rear calipers was seized, so every time you drive the car, it just smelled like nothing but brakes. So we checked it out, found out it was a caliper, bought the caliper, did the pads and the rotors and the caliper on this side and on the other side as well. So that took extra, you know, it's just everything's been so time consuming with this car that I was just really excited for it to finally be done, you know. I'll be doing much more things for the GTR soon. I've just been dumping a lot of money into the RSX lately. That, you know, everything's so expensive for the GTR. But I do need still to get some rear tires, because look at the rear tires. I'm bald. But luckily my cousin has a set of tires that he's gonna sell me, so, you know, we'll get those switched out. GTR will be back to normal. RSX will be getting new mods again. Just stay tuned to the next video, because the next video I'm gonna show you guys what else I got for the car. But yeah, other than that, thank you guys for watching. You already know, like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys next video.